Hello everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover IMDb account. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search imdb.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on IMDb's website. Then tap on the sign in option, which is on top right of your screen. Now tap on sign in with IMDb. On your right hand side there you'll see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. After that, enter your email address that is linked to your account. Then type the characters which is on your screen. After you are done, tap on continue. IMDb will now send you instructions for resetting your password on your email. So open up your mail. There you'll see the link to reset your password. Tap on it. Now you'll have to set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password is at least 8 characters. When you're done, tap on Save Changes. This way you can recover your IMDb account if you have forgotten your password. Now you can watch hundreds of movies and TV episodes for free. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.